Windy Butt Munch Day. I got some new toys. There goes somebody's milk crate. I got 3 things. One of them I already unboxed, but the biggest one is in the garage. I got a tow behind sprayer. It's the workhorse. I'm gonna be putting that together. I also, sorry about the hair. It's windy out. I also got a new fanny pack, a new belt strap. It's camo, and there's something else for the sprayer. But the one thing I want to talk about is our city's screwed up. Ogdensburg City is screwed up. Thanks, guys. Let's see. You tore down houses. Now you're out of money. Shouldn't we have thought about that before we even did that? Then you got prison. Damn thing. I hope somebody gets him out of office soon. Oh, wait. He canceled the thing. It's a 15-gallon sprayer, and it's going to be used for my garden. But yeah, there's things that in this town, in this county, that need to be changed. If you don't know how to save money and you don't know how to run a town, get the hell off the office. You shouldn't be in there anyways. I feel sorry for the people that are around Watertown. My hat does go off for the fire department, the police department, the sheriff's department, and all the departments that are dealing with this crap. Now, I'm going to tell you something. You want to stay alive? Stay the heck home. You don't need to go anywhere. Everything's closed. And if you do, the counties that are opening up, like Texas and a few others, what the heck are you doing? You still have the coronavirus there. Do you want to get more people sick and have more people die? I think, you know, I watched the movie a long time ago, The Condemned. Are we the condemned? Is this what we are signing up for? Something that we don't know, we can't see, we don't know where the heck it is? Yet the city council members that are, I don't know what the heck they were thinking. They might have not had their coffee. Oh wait, they might have not have had their tea. But I got some masks today. But there's some things that need to be changed in this town, because if we're going to keep going this way, you don't get rid of people's jobs. But I'm going to talk to you guys later. I want to put this thing together, and I'll show you when it's done.